Thousands of people are learning artificial intelligence, but only a small number can prove they know how to build useful AI solutions. So what separates candidates who get interviews from those who remain unnoticed? The answer is not only certificates or online courses. It is a portfolio that shows real problem-solving ability. In today's video, we shall explore how to build an AI portfolio that attracts recruiters, demonstrates your technical skills, and proves you can create practical solutions that deliver real value in the modern AI job market. Let's dive in. 1. Stop building basic AI demos. Solve real problems instead. Many beginners create AI projects only to show they can use a model or API. However, simple chatbots are no longer enough because thousands of candidates are building similar applications. Recruiters want to see whether you can use AI to solve meaningful problems. A strong portfolio starts with a real challenge, not just a technology. Instead of saying, I built a chatbot, explain who needs it, what problem it solves, and how it improves a process. For example, an AI quality inspection system that helps factories detect defects shows more value than a basic image recognition model. Companies want professionals who can connect AI with real-world needs. Great AI engineers are not only tool users, they are problem solvers. 2. Build fewer but more powerful AI projects. A strong AI portfolio is not about creating dozens of small projects. Many beginners upload simple experiments or copy tutorials, but recruiters value depth and quality more than quantity. Instead of building 20 unfinished projects, focus on 3 to 5 complete applications that demonstrate different skills. Each project should clearly explain the problem, the AI-based solution, the technologies used, and the final results. Show your technical ability through tools like Python, machine learning frameworks, large language models, APIs, vector databases, and cloud platforms. More importantly, highlight the impact of your work. For example, do not simply say, I created an AI assistant. Explain how it reduced manual work, improved information access, or saved time. A complete project proves that you can transform an idea into a practical solution. Recruiters are not looking for people who only experiment. They are looking for people who can build. 3. Create AI projects that match real industry needs. A strong AI portfolio should focus on projects that solve problems companies actually face. Instead of building simple demonstrations, create applications that show practical value. An AI knowledge assistant is a great example. It can help users search private documents and answer questions using company information, demonstrating skills in large language models, RAG, data processing, and AI application design. AI automation projects are also highly valuable. Tools like email assistants, meeting summarizers, and automated report generators show how AI can improve productivity. Traditional machine learning projects, such as fraud detection, forecasting, or risk prediction, demonstrate your understanding of data and model development. AI agents are another growing area. Build agents that can complete useful tasks, use tools, and make decisions reliably. The goal is not just using AI APIs, but showing that you can engineer intelligent systems that solve real problems. 4. Make your GitHub look like a professional engineer. Your GitHub profile is often the first technical evidence recruiters examine. A great project can lose its impact if the repository looks incomplete or unorganized. Think of your GitHub as your technical portfolio website. Every important project should include a clear name that explains its purpose. Avoid names like AI Project Final or Machine Learning Test. Instead, create professional titles that communicate value. A project called Medical Document Intelligence Assistant immediately sounds more meaningful. The next important part is the README file. A good README works like a product page. It should explain why the project was created, what problem it solves, the main features, technologies used, installation steps, screenshots, demo links, and possible improvements. A recruiter should understand your project without spending hours exploring your code. Your repository structure also matters. Professional developers organize their work clearly. Separate areas for data, models, source code, applications, notebooks, and documentation make the project easier to understand. Clean organization shows maturity. It tells employers that you understand software development practices, not only AI experimentation. A strong GitHub profile creates confidence before a technical interview even begins. 5. Deploy your AI projects online. An AI project sitting only on your personal computer has limited impact. Recruiters want proof that your application actually works. Deployment transforms your project from an idea into a real product. When someone could open a link, test your application, and experience your work directly, your portfolio becomes much stronger. There are many ways to deploy AI projects. You can use platforms such as Hugging Face Spaces, Streamlit, Versal, AWS, Google Cloud, or Azure. The important thing is not the platform itself. The important thing is showing that you understand how AI applications move from development into production. For example, an AI assistant that works through a live website demonstrates more than a notebook containing model experiments. It shows you understand application design, hosting, user experience, and real-world delivery. Deployment also introduces valuable engineering skills. You learn about APIs, cloud services, databases, security, and performance management. Companies need professionals who can take AI ideas and turn them into working solutions. A deployed portfolio project provides visible proof that you can do exactly that. 6. Show that you understand AI limitations. A common mistake in AI portfolios is presenting artificial intelligence as a perfect solution. Professional AI engineers understand that AI systems can make mistakes. A strong portfolio should show awareness of these challenges. For example, an AI application may produce incorrect information, expose privacy concerns, create biased results, or generate unexpected responses. Instead of hiding these issues, explain how your project handles them. Maybe your system includes human verification for important decisions. Maybe you added security controls to protect sensitive information. Maybe you measured accuracy and explained where improvements are needed. This demonstrates responsible AI thinking. Companies do not only need people who can create AI systems. They need people who understand how to use AI safely. A portfolio that discusses limitations shows maturity and professional awareness. 7. Add business value to every project. Technical skills are important, but companies hire people who create impact. A weak project description focuses only on tools. For example, I use a large language model API. A stronger explanation focuses on value. I created an AI assistant that helps employees find information faster by searching thousands of internal documents. The second explanation immediately connects technology with a business outcome. Hiring managers are asking one important question: can this person help our organization? Your portfolio should answer that question clearly. Every project should explain how it saves time, improves accuracy, reduces costs, or creates a better experience. Technology changes quickly. The ability to solve problems remains valuable. 8. Turn projects into professional case studies. A project description is not enough. A professional AI portfolio should include case studies that explain your complete journey. Start with a challenge. Explain what problem existed and why it mattered. Then describe your approach. Explain how you designed the solution and why you selected specific technologies. After that, discuss development. Show the tools, methods, and decisions behind your implementation. Finally, explain results and lessons learned. This format helps recruiters understand your thinking process. They can see not only what you built, but how you approach problems. Strong engineers are not defined only by their final product. They are defined by their decisions. 9. Learn AI foundations beyond tools. AI tools change quickly. A platform that is popular today may be replaced by another tomorrow. That is why strong AI professionals focus on fundamentals. Programming skills such as Python, SQL APIs, and software development practices remain extremely important. Data skills are equally valuable. Understanding data cleaning, databases, and visualization helps you build better AI systems. Machine learning knowledge also matters. You should understand model training, evaluation, and optimization. Beyond that, modern AI engineering requires knowledge of large language models, prompt design, vector databases, and deployment methods. Tools will continue changing. Strong foundations will continue creating opportunities. 10. Share your AI work and build your professional presence. A hidden portfolio cannot create career opportunities. Your work needs visibility. Share your projects through GitHub, LinkedIn, technical blogs, personal websites, and AI communities. Explain what you built, why you built it, and what challenge you solved. Building in public creates professional connections and demonstrates communication skills. Many employers value engineers who can explain complex ideas clearly. Your portfolio is not only a collection of projects. It is a public demonstration of your skills, creativity, and ability to contribute. Nowadays, learning AI is not enough. The professionals who stand out are those who can build, explain, and deliver real solutions. A strong AI portfolio proves your ability to solve problems, create useful applications, and bring value to companies. Focus on quality projects. Deploy your work, share your journey, and continue improving your skills. If you want to turn your AI knowledge into real-world projects and build a portfolio that can help you stand out in the technology industry, you can continue your learning journey with practical training and career-focused resources at cloudelite.io. You can also join the Cloud Elite training community on School, where you can connect with other AI learners, share projects, get feedback, and grow your skills with a community focused on modern AI and cloud careers. If this video helped you, press the like button, share it with other AI learners, and subscribe for more videos about artificial intelligence, technology careers, and future opportunities.